Welcome back to the KK Autos. Today we are diving into something truly special and unique, the all-new Mercedes Motorhome 2026. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience on wheels, crafted for those who want the comfort of a luxury home, blended seamlessly with the reliability and innovation of Mercedes engineering. The 2026 Mercedes Motorhome takes the idea of road trips and luxury travel to the next level, and in this review, we'll explore its design, features, performance, and what makes it worth considering for the upcoming travel season. At first glance, the exterior of the Mercedes Motorhome 2026 commands attention with a bold and modern design. The body is sleek yet robust, featuring smooth aerodynamic lines that give it a refined look despite its size. The signature Mercedes grille sits proudly at the front, paired with ultra-modern LED headlamps that are sharp, bright, and adaptive for safer night driving. The size of this motorhome is imposing, but it doesn't look bulky. Instead, Mercedes has given it an elegant stance that balances practicality with style. The side profile reveals flush windows that not only enhance aerodynamics, but also provide a clean, modern appeal. The large alloy wheels add strength and stability, ensuring that the motorhome handles long distances with ease. On the back, you'll find smartly designed LED taillights, a streamlined rear design, and accessible storage compartments built neatly into the body for practicality. It's a motorhome that looks as premium as a luxury SUV while being spacious, enough to serve as a moving residence. Stepping inside is where the Mercedes Motorhome 2026 truly shines. The interior feels less like a vehicle and more like stepping into a high-end apartment. Mercedes has gone above and beyond with the materials, finishes, and technology inside. The cabin area up front is equipped with state-of-the-art digital displays, a fully digital driver cluster, and a large infotainment touchscreen with the latest MBUX system. The steering wheel is leather-wrapped with intuitive controls, and every surface feels premium, from brushed aluminum trims to soft leather finishes. Moving into the living space, the motorhome offers a layout designed for maximum comfort. You'll find a spacious lounge area with plush seating that can be converted into a bed when needed. The seats are upholstered in high-quality materials and designed to provide comfort during long journeys. The kitchen space is compact yet incredibly functional, equipped with a refrigerator, microwave, induction cooktop, and smart storage solutions. Every inch of the space is used wisely, giving you the feeling of being at home while on the move. The motorhome also includes a dining area, which can double as a workspace, making it suitable for those who travel while working remotely. Towards the rear, there is a luxurious bedroom area with a queen-size bed, ample closet space, and soft ambient lighting that creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. The bathroom is surprisingly spacious for a motorhome, with a shower, toilet, and sink, all designed with modern fittings and durable, easy-to-clean materials. Mercedes has clearly focused on making the 2026 motorhome not just practical, but genuinely luxurious. Performance is another key aspect where this motorhome impresses. Despite its size, the Mercedes Motorhome 2026 is powered by an advanced hybrid powertrain that combines a fuel-efficient diesel engine with electric assist. This ensures not only strong performance on highways and uphill terrains, but also a quieter, smoother drive compared to older motorhomes. The hybrid system also helps improve fuel economy, making it more environmentally friendly for long journeys. Drivers will appreciate the advanced suspension system, which reduces bumps and vibrations, ensuring comfort for both driver and passengers. Safety, as expected from Mercedes, is top-notch. The motorhome is equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system to make maneuvering such a large vehicle stress-free. When it comes to technology, Mercedes has loaded the 2026 motorhome with features you'd expect in a luxury car. The MBUX infotainment system supports voice commands, navigation, smartphone integration, and even remote controls for lighting and temperature inside the motorhome. There are multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging pads, and Wi-Fi connectivity, making it a truly connected mobile home. Mercedes has also included solar panel options on the roof, allowing you to generate your own power during trips, which is ideal for camping off-grid. Now let's talk about pricing. Being a luxury motorhome from Mercedes, the 2026 model does not come cheap. The starting price is expected to be around $160,000 to $180,000 US, depending on the trim and optional features. Higher trims with extended features, premium interior upgrades, and advanced off-grid capabilities could push the price closer to $200,000. While this may sound steep, it's important to remember that this is not just a vehicle, it's a home, an office,